आम्ही पहिला थोडे some forums have taken press after the budget. Some people were sitting in some conference and said this is good budget. But they have to answer where the state government had asked for industrial corridor. That is 0 rupees मिळाला. So how you expect industry to grow? What is the budget benefit for the industries in Goa to grow? Zero काय ना allocation. Even support होई ना.
अमित माझे एक क्वेश्चन आहे. फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमच्या एलओपीने एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलं.
बजेट आणि इलेक्शन इयर असतात त्यांना स्वतः सेंटर त्या स्टेटी ज्या स्टेटी इलेक्शन असतात त्यांना किती बरं दिसतात आज तुमच्या दिसायला म्हणतात तुम्ही इलेक्शन बेनिफिट जातो
म्हाका दिसता हे पयली लोकां मेरेन पावपाक जाय की कशें हे सरकार लोकांक फटयता. आय थिंक दिस हेज टू कम आउट बिकॉज आयचे सगळे पेपर जर तर वाचत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता पिक्चर अशें आहा की गोंयांक 5,570 करोड मेळ्ळे आनी 4,000 करोड मेळ्ळे. इन रियलिटी मेळूना बिकॉज पीपल डोंट गो थ्रू द बजेट. पीपल डोंट स्टडी आयटम वायज. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर पीपल ऑफ गोवा टू नो की ह्या सरकारान खंयच्या फिल्डान पयशे मागिल्ले, टुरिजमान कितले मागिल्ले, हेल्थान कितले मागिल्ले, फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज आणि रेल कॉरिडोराक कितले मागिल्ले आणि मेळ्ळे कितें. अंडर द 16 फायनान्स कमिशन स्टेट डिल्युशन टॅक्साचे जो येवपाक जाय आमचो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल अधिकार, तो जे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युशन आसा तातूंत बरयल्लो अधिकार, तेच घेवन तुम्ही ढोल पिट्टले. एक्चुअल रियलिटी कितें हें भायर येवपाक जाय. सो म्हाका एकूच रिक्वेस्ट की जे तुम्ही आज सरकाराचे पळय तांचे whatever they have said you have conveyed to the people of Goa, please convey this also.
अमित बाब तुम्ही सगळे पेपर वाचून सांगले, फ्रंट पेज सांगले आणि एक पेपराचो ऍड सांगलो तुम्ही जे 39A च्या अंडर कन्वर्शन जातो, हे कन्वर्शन जाता ते बंद करपाक तुम्ही काँग्रेस पक्ष कितें करता?
सरकार येवन मागीर बंद
ना सर ते मेरेन काबार जावन गोंय
17 to 39A also is subsidies matter. We see this same BJP government 2012 लो manifesto का item number I think 12 का 13 आणि वयला within 100 days we will have
ते म्हाका लागना हे आता तुम्ही आता 39A चो जो कन्वर्शन करता म्हणून सांगले टीसीपी अंडर ते बंद करपाक काँग्रेस पक्ष कितें करता?
सरकार 2027 या बीजेपी घरा धाडचे पडटले आणि 39A ते 49A सुद्धा हाडटले. तुवें पळयलें की हे सरकार फक्त अमेंडमेंट हाडटा. मदीं झोनिंग प्लॅन म्हणून हाडपाक सोदतालो. याद आसा तुका? तुवेंच कव्हर केल्लें. तूं आयलो आमचे कितले फोर फ्रंटान आशिल्लो थंय.
As per your information, how much the Goa government had requested that we have not fallen short of?
No, Goa government
कितले amount
see, there are two parts to this. One is the direct taxes, state tax devolution, जो 41% जो share घेता.
That full amount we have received.
No, that is 5,570 crore. But state had asked, being a smaller state, which is a coastal state, there is environmental impact. It is a high tourism load state. They had asked for 50%, which the center has not considered. Apart from this, 4,000 crores ache support magillo, grants magille in various fields which I have told you. We have got zero out of that 4,000 crores.
4,000 crores was denied.
Zero. It is of Goa in the budget. Okay. So what Chief Minister said yesterday,
that should have been the headline. You are saying that should have been the
100% it should have been the headline.
अमित बाब माझे क्वेश्चन असा, पयर एलओपी तुमच्या एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतली
बजेटाचे
पहिल्याच बजेटाचे तुम्ही घेतला
नाही. बजेटाचे जर
आमच्या पहिल्याच कॉन्फरन्स घेतला वयता बारा
प्रेस आमची बजेटाचे इफ एनी बजेट क्वेश्चन यू कॅन आस्क.
तशें आसता
दिल्ली बीजेपी
अमित बाब
दिल्ली विजिटाच्या प्रेसात म्हजो एक
लेट मी फिनिश नो म्हाका सो पयर एलओपीन एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतले. He spoke about getting all opposition together before 2027.
आम्ही हाजेर स्पेशल प्रेस घेतली मरे तू ना दिसता त्या दिवशी.
सो आता
बजेटाचेर कितें आसलें लेट्स नॉट डायल्यूट द इशू. आय थिंक ऑन दॅट वी हॅव टेकन अ डिटेल. आणि कितें
regarding bids bill.
I think काल आमचे डेलिगेशन हॅव गॉन देयर. We have given a memorandum. We have demanded there a judicial inquiry has to happen. I think this is the 6th death which has happened. Last time even we had gone to the DGP also. Me personally had gone. Yesterday they have gone there. We have met the management also. I think we will be again going to the DGP and we will be petitioning the governor also, because these are the Bits Pilani is a private. This is a failure of the Chief Minister of the Goa, who heads the Education Department also. This is the 4th death from December 2024 till January. Sorry, 6th death. Only 5 January, so we death. 6th death in such a short time frame is a serious matter. थंय भुरग्यांचेर pressure asa. Last time I think our delegation who had gone, we had in fact volunteered, some consultation has to be given to them. We had volunteered one of our groups, the JBM, we had volunteered. But then
South Goa collector किती inquiry केलेले किती report येयला पण काय
5 जण दोन रिपोर्ट बाहेर दिले आसा थंयसून तितून म्हणटा की जे काउन्सिलिंग घालून गेल्ले ते घातलेले आसा करिक्युलम चेंज केल्ले आसा
ताणे म्हाका दिसता I think what I have read through media only, that some media have reported that the disease has written a note बरयल्लो आसता, suicide note, and in that suicide note what is mentioned is peer pressure was there. That's why she has committed suicide. So I think a detailed investigation has to happen, that why every time so death भुरग्यांची जावप म्हणल्यार
लोकल एमएलए म्हटल्यार सारकी इन्क्वायरी जाय जाल्यार बंद करात म्हणून अशी मागणी तुमची बी आसतली.
लोकल एमएलए गव्हर्नमेंटान ना ते सरकार तांचेच आहा मरे.
पण बीइंग ऑपोजिशन तुमची मागणी कितें?
इज अ मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो नो.
ना ना
इंडिपेंडंट. सी आता ते इन्स्टिट्यूशन बंद करप काय ना करप, म्हाका दिसता दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन, इट्स अ सिरियस क्वेश्चन. बट फर्स्ट थिंग इज दॅट डेथ्स वाय दे आर हॅपनिंग हाजेर म्हाका दिसता पयलीं डिटेल इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय. एंड आय थिंक ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी इज द मस्ट, कित्याक यू नो हाव दिस गव्हर्नमेंट वर्क्स. So judicial inquiry is what we have demanded. I think a detailed judicial inquiry that is now.
Amit, can you talk about the municipality elections? How the Congress party will go? I know
So not only Panjim, all the municipalities over Goa where election is there, we have been closely monitoring it. Madgaon also, Murmugaon, as in Murmugaon, Moscow. So let's see the forces which are against this government. They are trying to put a united panel, and as Congress party we will support this wherever in Mapsa or in
Utpal has also welcomed the URI statement.
No, Utpalak आम्ही मेळिल्ले, आमचो इंचार्ज जेन्ना आयिल्लो तेन्ना I was there, आमचो इंचार्ज was there, so we had spoken about the municipality election.
Municipality are getting involved.
Regarding the municipality elections we had spoken, so let's see, we are working out with some formula.
Okay, what about Ponda Bypol? Ponda Bypol election तयारी.
Ponda Bypolची इलेक्शनची तयारी आज सकाळीच we had one meeting with our leader there. Tomorrow they have kept one more meeting, so we have started our work.
So can they begin announce जातलो काय ताका टाइम लागतलो?
Amit, opposition